Okay, guys, we got some Tokidokis. We got some cute Tokidokis. We got this Where the Wild Things Are. Super cute. These Tokidokis.
That's my jam.
The Arcanes, which are beautiful.
They are.
And
now that we know that they're Arcanes.
Will snuck himself one of these bad boys, which looks pretty cool.
Turtle
Godzilla. Okay, and I got me one of these. Okay. There you go. There's the possibilities. I want the common.
Great.
I don't want a black and white.
Yeah,
I don't want the bride. I want a common to put on my monster shelf. It's a big deal to me. I don't know how to get through this. I have nothing sharp. This is not good. This is not professional. How do I open this thing without something sharp?
Where's our knife?
You don't need to say stuff like that. Okay, it worked, didn't it? It worked. Yeah, we don't really buy Thrilljoys anymore. You see, they put reinforced bases on them because people were getting into them.
Yeah, I like it.
Check them.
That's smart.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Please be common. Please be common. Please be common. Please be common. Yay! I like him. I'm actually going to take him out of his box and put him in the shelf.
Okay.
Because he's cool. He's cool.
Yep.
Okay. Maybe I'll leave him in his box. I don't know, but he's going on the monster shelf for sure. I'm actually really happy about that. The last time I really did want a common, I ended up with the stupid secret.
Right.
And I didn't want it. Okay, your turn. You open something. Here, I'll hold it. You guys, I didn't want to go get the whole setup today. I didn't want to get the phone stand and this is...
Can I borrow that knife?
You can. You might harm yourself here.
Okay. Is this cursed?
I don't know. It's an antique.
Oh god, this is so dull.
It's for antique. It's from my antique store.
That's pretty cool.
Ooh.
Michelangelo as Moth? No, not Moth.
Is that a Mothra? Who is that? Is that Hydra maybe? I don't know.
I don't know. It's awesome.
It is cool. Very pretty.
A little too big to put in my pocket, but it's awesome.
Do an Arcane. I've actually stopped buying those because the tops break.
They do break.
These little O-rings, you guys, that it's not a true O-ring, right? But these little rings that happen to look like O's? They always snap off after about 3 months.
Yeah.
They crack and they break. They're not well reinforced. See, this one's already, I'm just bending it. You see it's got a little...
Yep.
They always break right there because the weight of these is so heavy.
That's weird, right?
And they're so thick compared to the size of that.
It's a Michelangelo King Ghidorah. That's what it is.
King Ghidorah.
King Ghidorah. Ghidorah.
Or a King Ghidorah.
Should I open it from the top or bottom?
Just go for it.
Just rip it open.
Just rip it open. If it's a dupe, we'll let somebody else have it. They're so pretty.
Yeah, I love these. If I could open it.
You know, you're lucky I have a antique knife in there. It's not every day that I...
know, right?
They have grip things.
Yeah, they probably do.
What do they do?
Just can't find it.
Ooh.
How shiny she is.
That's beautiful.
Which one is she? The chrome, the shininess is amazing.
I'm guessing that's... Isn't that... V's girl? Caitlin? Let's see, what does it say? Task Force Caitlin, yeah.
Okay.
Show you the side of the box, you guys.
Maybe up.
But it doesn't show on the side of the box how, ridiculously pretty these are.
Those are great.
They are so reflective and pearlescent.
Probably the best Tokidokis I've seen.
Gorgeous. Do the other one, do the other one. That's good. I'm glad. So now we have... Which one did we have last time? Heimberger?
We have Heimdinger.
Heimdinger. What did I call him?
Heimberger?
I'm just hungry.
Heimdinger.
Heimdinger. Now we got a Caitlin. It'd be cool if we got a V or a Jinx. Is Jinx in here?
Yes, I would love the Jinx.
V would be pretty. Actually, they're all pretty. Don't we have a Silco too? No, we have Silco. I want Heimdinger. Oh, we got V. We got V. Is that V? Is that Task Force V?
No, it's a regular V.
How can you tell? How can you tell?
The color,
Oh, she's not wearing blue. She's not wearing her uniform. Yep. You're right.
That's amazing.
Well, we got V and Caitlin, so that's really good. Don't mind, well, he has to leave because apparently he inhaled a dust storm, and now he can't breathe air.
Got the black lung.
He's got the black lung. Look how pretty. I think we did really good. Although I would like a Heimdinger, I think we did really good.
We need a Jinx.
I had to special order these because when we went back, I talk good. When we went back to box lunch, they were completely sold out.
Yeah.
So I had to go online and scramble to get some before they were really gone.
I think we gotta hunt it down to Jinx.
I don't think anyone's going to sell them if they get a Jinx or a Heimdinger. But I'll try. I'll try.
Your turn.
There's also a person in my life who is now going after my my Tokidoki collection one by one.
Like if you give one away and you don't even notice it, then it means
you shouldn't have had it.
Yeah.
That's the way I feel about like if anyone like I know through my life people have taken things from me, especially like when I was in college. If it takes me more than a month to realize something is missing, I didn't need it. I didn't need it as badly as the person who took it. Now, that doesn't mean that they should take it, but it means I don't really care. Not holding it against the greater sum total of life.
Oh, the scary guy.
This is amazing.
Classic guy.
This is amazing.
Awesome.
This is where the wild things are, you guys. There's only 4 in this set plus a secret. It is really hard to find Wild Things merch.
It really is, right?
Yeah, I have this guy as like, I want to say, I can't remember which brand, but he's a fairly collectible figure. But it would be good to get one of the 2 mains here. It says it glows in the dark. I'm thinking the horns and the eyes and the hands.
Yeah, you can see the greenish.
Yeah, it looks like all the monsters have glow in the dark decals. So
that's awesome.
Very cool. I like him. I like him a lot. Okay, which one next? Which one next?
Either one of the Tokis. Well, that's all we got left. Right?
Either
Tokis.
one of the Tokis. Okay, I'm going to open this one. And you can open the other one. You can do the... You like succulents. Maybe you'll get a succulent. I'm not even doing it on camera. I'm sorry, you guys. Ugh. Yeah, just really, great box unboxing right there. See, you gotta decide. You just gotta... Who did it? Ooh.
That's a lot of stuff in there.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what I got, but I'm in love with it.
She comes loaded.
Wow.
She's pretty, too. She got some pearlescence.
Wow.
I like the shiny pearlescence they're adding to these now.
Look at all her parts. Yeah, she got balloons. She's this one. 20th anniversary mozzarella.
What are these?
These are 20th anniversary ones. Okay. So they're all pretty fancy.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
I think I got the coolest one, though. Oh, my gosh.
All kinds of accessories, man.
Look how pretty you guys. I'm happy. We're doing really well.
Yeah, we are.
We're doing really well. Okay, let me hold. Hopefully you get something cool.
All right, let's try it. These are pretend. Well, we have one of these, don't we? No, we had the fishy one.
We had a mermaid, but I gave it away.
I'll take Hope. Hope looks pretty. Oh, the cherry blossom.
Mermaid with goldfish.
Awesome. Child's proof.
I know, right? We got this at, I want to say World Market of all places, had mystery boxes. Yeah. And unfortunately, some of theirs had been stolen, like ripped open and stolen. What is it? Is it lilies? What is it?
It's like lilies, yeah.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Fortune?
Oh, it's like it hangs in the basket. Yeah. Like, oh, I don't want to drop it. I don't want to drop it. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it.
I was hoping for another one, but that one's so pretty.
Which one were you hoping for? Yeah, Fortune.
The Hope or the Faith?
Hope or Faith. We might have to go back and get another one.
They're pretty, though. Yeah,
let me see the side of the box again. Hope or Faith. You guys, Hope. Look at Hope. That's beautiful purple fern. Faith is like cherry blossom types. They have a real cherry blossom one. We got Fortune.
Fortune.
Ugh. I think Fortune and like Eternity are the worst. Maybe Serenity. Look at Eternity.
I did the hanging pot.
Is that supposed to be Coleus? The chaser is a Coleus plant?
Yep, it's Coleus. Lucky bamboos, longevity. That's funny.
Still cute though.
Still cute though.
I like that it's like in a little pot. That's adorable. Okay, that's it for today. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.